Hey guys, we're back at it again, and today we are going to teach you how to use the list methods only here in Python. Here we go. So we have the first list method, which is called the append, and I define the list as games. Added two games such as Valorant, shortened as Valo, and Apex Legends, shortened as Apex. Also, next up is I have to add the games.append function. Inside of the games.append function is the game Overwatch 2, shortened as OW2. And finally, I have to put a print function which contains the variable games. And here is the results. And the next function is the extend function. I did here is to replace the append function into extend. And what it does is to count down the letters of your word. That example will be shown in the results. The output would show the counted down version of your word. Next up here is the insert function. What I have to do here is to put the words insert after the games.function, and inside of it we have to put the number 2 and the game Counter-Strike 2, shortened as CS2. As you can see here, CS2 is inserted on the list. The next list method is remove. In here I have to put the games.remove function and inserted Valo as a game to be removed. And as you can see, the game Valo has been removed to the list. Next up here is the pop function. What I have to do here is to define the variable as last game and put the games.pop function, and lastly I have to put a print function. Inside it is the variable last underscore game. The results show that Apex has popped out of the list. The next list method is the index method, which is what I did here is to put the index variable equals games.index, and inside it you can put any word from your list. In this case, for example, we have CS2, and I have to put a print function which contains the variable index inside. In this part of this video, I have to test the code a lot of times, replacing the game's index function with different games in my list, counting down what number the game is. So see the results for yourself. And in any minute, I will show you the next list method. And the next method here is the count method. And what this list method does is to count down the words from your list. So what I did here is to put the count variable, and a pause of it is the games.count function. And last thing is to put your game inside the games.count function and a print function that says count. And in this part of this video again, I have to try the code a lot of times, replacing the games in the games.count function. See the results for yourself and have some time watching me replacing the code a lot of times. And in any minute now, I will show you the last 3 list methods in this tutorial, so stay tuned. Next up here is the sort list method, and all I have to do here is to type the games.sort function. Lastly, I have to put a print function, and inside of it is the verb games. And at this point, the results will show the sorted alphabetical order of the list. And the next method will be the reverse method. So in here, I have to replace the sort function into reverse. As you can see on the result, the games are sorted in reverse order. So last but not the least here is the clear function. And in the clear function, what it does is it clears all the data from your list. And that is all for me today in this video. And in the next video, I will show you the final tutorial, which is the functions and parameterized functions. So see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!